How to replace a Human Touch Quies sound PCB. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, loosen or remove the 3 screws that secure the shroud to the chair. Remove the shroud from the chair and, if necessary, remove the loose screws from the shroud. Next, disconnect all of the connectors from the sound PCB, which is located behind the main PCB. Now remove the 4 screws that secure the PCB to the chair. Remove the PCB from the chair. To install the new PCB, plug the remote cable into the PCB socket, aligning the pins with the holes. Next, place the PCB into position with the remote socket facing the front of the chair, then replace the 4 screws to secure the PCB to the chair. Reconnect the 5 connectors to the PCB, matching by size. Note the 2 tabs on the front of the shroud and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots. Replace the 3 screws to secure the shroud to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.